So here, because you want to know whether or not 0.9 repeating equals 1 or not. Well, let's start out with the 1/3 proof. So 3 divided, or no, that's not how you say it. 1 divided by 3. So this is only 1.0, 0, 0. That should be enough layers. So 3 can't go into 1, but can go into 10. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 bring down to 0. This is 10. I can also go into 10 3 times. And 9 minus 1, 10. Also, this just goes on forever. So that would mean that 0.3 repeating equals 1/3. Right? Well, then 0.3 repeating times 3 would equal 0.9 repeating. But you could argue that 0.3 repeating does not equal 1/3, which I think is stupid. You could argue that it's just infinitely close to 1/3. So what you want, 0.3 repeating 2, even though there's, no, not 2, 4. There's infinitely many 3s. You're never going to get to the 4. But still, times 3. This would be 3. That's 12. Not 10. So 1.0 infinite repeating 2. So this is even farther from 1 than 0.9 repeating is. 2 infinitesimals or whatever. That number. I did horrible at drawing infinity. What's this number? 1/infinity. 1 divided by infinity would be like, I don't know. If you're gonna argue that 0 divided by infinity is, or what? No, 1 divided 0 is infinity, then infinity times, but then 1/infinity equals 0. So you can have it either way. 1 divided by 0 equals infinity, or infinity equals 0.01. So if you believe in this, then we've already debunked the 0.9 repeating equals. Well, no, never mind. Okay, so yeah. So at this point, you can take your picks. Point repeating equals 1, or let me write that a little better. Or 1.02 equals 1, or 1/3 is not expressible in decimal. And also, if you want to put something other than a 4 there, say more threes. There already are more threes. Okay. So this. But let's say you took 0.9 plus 0.9. This should equal 2. But it doesn't. It equals 1.8 repeating. I think I'm doing this right. No, wait. No. Oh. Okay, let's make doing the math a little easier so we can... Let's do this so we can see the pattern. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, plus, okay, this will be 8, 1 plus 0, that next time, so 9, 9, 1, 9, okay, so 0.9 repeating plus 0.9 repeating equals 1.0 repeating 8. No. 1.9 repeating 8. And now 1.9 repeating 8 plus 1.9 repeating 8 equals, let's just stuff the digits of 9 in there just so I can like more addition equal, yeah, 6, 9, 9, so 9, so this is 3.9 repeating 6. So it's going to keep getting further and further away from what the sum would be. So 3.9 repeating 6 times 2 is going to be 4.9 repeating 4 because I'm looking at patterns. So that wait, what was on this page? No, it should be 6. Yeah, okay. 6. That 6 looks horrible. 6.9 repeating 4. Eventually you're going to get, I mean, so this could be proof right here that 9 repeating does not equal 1. But then we still only have the other two options. Now this is worse. It's actually further from 1 than 0.9 repeating is, so yeah, sure. Then so we get both 0.3 repeating not showable in decimal, or no, not 0.3 repeating, to 1/3, and we get and we also get 9 is not showable. We get anything which requires infinite. I don't know. Huh? Oh, there. That's my conclusion. I guess. I hate this conclusion. Goodbye, everybody.